That was a lot of information that we went over on your x-ray visit. But first, I want to congratulate you and welcome you to our EP True Chiropractic family. We are so excited to take care of you and get you on your wellness journey. Now, I know you may have some questions throughout this process, so if you have any questions, make sure to ask one of my team members or myself so we can get those answered for you. I want to remind you of a few simple steps so you get the best results in this office. Number 1 is get your family checked. 2 is attend a transformation dinner. And 3 is get an appointment scheduled up so you can go over spinal exercises and do those at home.